Good morning, students. In today's session, we are going to discuss about chapter 3, question bank part. So, first question is MCQ, multiple choice question. And question is background is an attribute of options are body tag, font tag, image tag, or A. A stands for anchor tag. So, the answer is body tag. Background is the attribute of body tag. Next part in V-Link attribute V stand for options are visited, vary, victory or visitor and the answer is visited link. Third one face and size are the attributes of dash tag. Options are font, base font, H1 to H6 or both A and B. The answer is both A and B. These are the attribute of font tag also and base font tag also. Next part, which of the following will give the largest size of text? Options are H1, H6, H2, H4. H6 is the here some problem is there. The answer is H1 is the largest tag. So please make it correct. It is H1. Next one part, we can create a number listed using dash tag. And options are UL, list, OL, or DL. And the answer is the list can be created with number using OL tag. OL stand for ordered list. Next part, which attribute does not come in HR tag? Size, color, width or length. Length never comes in HR tag. HR tag is your horizontal rule tag. Which of the following are the heading tag? H3, H6, H4 or all of above? The answer is all are the heading tags. To start a list with number 3, we should write OL start equal to 3, OL type equal to 3, value equal to 3 or all of above. The answer is OL start equal to 3. OL means ordered list, that will start with value 3. Next is the HR tag insert on a web page. Options are a straight line, a circle, a border or none of these. HR tag is for horizontal ruling, so it will insert a straight line. Next is the display bullet against list we use every time bullets are displayed in unordered list. So the answer is UL. Next part, to start a list with alphabet E, which line should be used? 4 options are given. In that, second option is correct. OL type is equal to A. List is of alphabetic type and it will start with 5th alphabet and 5th alphabet is your E. Next is to start a list with default bullet, which is correct syntax. Bullets are every time given in unordered list. So 3 and 4 option is not correct. Out of 1 and 2 option number 2 is correct because it is a type of disk. It is not a alphabetic type. So the answer is UL type is equal to disk. Attribute for choosing the type of font is, the answer is face. Character, font, face, type options are given. The answer is face. Choose correct HTML tag for largest heading. The answer is H1. Again this question repeated. Which HTML tags cause browser to render text as an italic? And such options are given. And the option third is correct. I presents italic tag. I will be open and I will be closed. Rest all 3 tags are wrong. So answer is C. Which attribute is not valid for body tag? In body we can't set the color. We can set body color or BG color. So color is not attribute of body tag. It is an attribute of font tag. Which tag leaves a blank line? For leaving a blank line, we always use line break. It means BR is the right answer. HR never used. DR is used for line break and line tag is never used for giving space. Empty tag is not used for space. What is the correct HTML tag for inserting a line break? Recently we have done. The answer is BR. Next part, what is the correct HTML tag for adding a background color? For insertion of a background color, we have a option body BG color is equal to yellow. Next part, a total of how many headings are there in HTML? Total 6 headings are there, H1 to H6. Anything written between dash is taken as comment. How comment will be written? The option C is fine. It will be start with sign of exclamation, minus minus and end with minus minus and symbol only. Next part, Which sequence of HTML tag is correct? Out of these 4 sequences, the proper sequence is main heading will be HTML. In HTML, subheading will be head. Then subheading will be title. Then title will be close. Then head will close. Then body tag will start. Body will close. And at last, HTML will be the last tag that will be closed. So answer is A. The document structure element of HTML page is HTML body head. All are the part of HTML element structure. So answer is all of the above. Next part, the tag that requires a starting as well as ending tag is called a container tag. It will start also, it will close also. HTML uses options are predefined tags, user defined tag, both of them. HTML use all predefined tag. A user can't define any type of tag in HTML. A tag used to navigate or open other web page on a website on internet is called a hyperlink. It is not a hyperlink, it is not a heterolink. The answer is hyperlink. Which tag is used to render a horizontal line? The answer is HR tag. HR means horizontal ruling tag. Next is VLink, link and A-link are the attribute of, all are the attribute of body tag. VLink means visited link, A-link means active link. Next is identify the attributes which are common in font and base font tag. The answer is face and size. Both are the common in font and base font tag. In which year HTML 5.0 was released? It was released in 2017. I forgot to do it highlight. So answer is 2017. HTML tags to convert a regular text into heading. It is the text structure H1 to H6. Next part is fill-ups. Dash is a word or image that when clicked take us to the another page. The answer is hyperlink. A tag that requires an opening as well as closing tag is called a container tag. The dash tag provides additional information including title, script about a web page. The answer is head. HR tag is used for dash horizontal rules. For displaying colored text, dash tag is used font tag. Dash attribute is used to define the thickness of horizontal rule. The answer is size. Dash tag is used to bring the text to the next line. The answer is BR, line break tag. Dash tag is used to insert a line break on a web page. Answer is again BR. Next is dash is used to change the color of visited link. The answer is V link tag. Next question is state true and false. First one is I tag display text in bold. No, wrong it is. It will display in italic. Font tag is one of the structural tag of HTML documents. True it is. HTML is a programming language. No, it is false. It is a markup language. Color attribute is used with p tag. False it is. Title tag is one of the structural tag of HTML documents. No, it is false. There must be only one body tag in each web page. Yeah, true it is. HTML is a case sensitive language. No, HTML is a case insensitive language. Either we can write in small letter, either we can write in caps letter. Almost all browsers support HTML. True. There must be only one title tag in HTML document. Yes, it is true. HTML defines the HTML header and does not affect the appearance of document. Yes, it is true. It is for header only. An attribute defines a property of an element. It is also true. And last one, HTML tags tell a web browser how to render a web page. Yes, it is true. After rendering, it will be displayed on your web page browser window. So in this session, we have covered question bank part. In question bank part, we have done MCQs, fill-ups and true and false. In next session, we will discuss about question answer round. And afterward, we will do the chapter exercise. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.